Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping in today. I greatly appreciate it. I have my Eyescream Beauty box in a bag. So something must have been too large to fit in their standard box. So sometimes they do send it in a bag. I did receive this yesterday. Today is, what day is it? Today's Tuesday. So I did get this yesterday. And this is the November box. And it says Holiday Prep. And they've been putting like a nice little thank you message on their cards, which is nice. I do appreciate that. So I'm just going to take everything out of the bag. I can see maybe why things wouldn't fit. Ooh, nice. Okay. Then we'll get rid of the bag. And before we get started, if, if any of you are, praying people out there, I would appreciate some prayers. My dog Patches is not doing really good. She's, going downhill fast. Yesterday, she wouldn't eat anything, and she's just, she's just not doing well. So I would love some prayers for her, that if it's her time to go, that she goes peacefully. And I also could use some prayers just for uplifting myself. If you're the praying type, I would greatly appreciate it. The power of prayer. It does work, so, and I'm open to it. And I will pray. I pray for a lot of you when you let me know things are going on, and I don't stop. So keep me in your thoughts and your prayers. So let's get started. First item in the box that sticks right out to me is this right here. Nice brush. And who is this from? This is from Cheeky Rose. Cheeky Rose Beauty, $38 foundation brush. Okay, so let's open her up. Okay, that's a nice one. Nice little handle, nice weight to it, and this is nice. These are nice brushes. Like you can see some hairs going to fall out. I always wash my brushes before I use them. There is sizing in the brush hairs. That's what keeps it nice and, from the manufacturer when they make them. So just, you don't have to like wash them like you would if they were dirty, but just wash them, let them dry. I mean, you don't have to, but I always do because I don't want that on my face. I mean, sometimes when you run your fingers through the hairs, you can see, like I just saw that, a little bit of white, like powder, almost like and that's the sizing in the brush. So this is really nice. That'll put foundation on really nice. Happy to have that. So that's exciting. Let's get you back in the tube. And like I said, $38, I think is what I told you. Yeah, $38. It is ultra soft, like they say. So that's nice. This is always good to get right here. I'm not going to complain about this either. This is a big one. Wink, wink. This is Snatched. Is this a mascara? Snatched mascara. Oh, I thought that was maybe like a lash serum or something like that. It's Snatched Fiber Mascara by Lash Step, $21. That's probably why the tube is so large. Let's open this up and see. I might keep this one. Their products are pretty good. They do have lash serum. They have lots of good products, but this is nice packaging. Nice packaging. Look at that. And this is, feels like leather, but it's probably faux leather. But that is some bougie packaging right there. Let's just see what she looks like. I don't have mascara on today, but I might. That's a nice brush. I might put this, try this and see what I think. But beautiful, beautiful packaging. I'm happy to have that. Is it $21? That's a fair price. The brush is foundation brushes. Like I usually wouldn't spend more than maybe $25 or $30, but that one's expensive at $38. So, not bad. The next product we have right here is from, I'm just looking this up, Chocolate Bronze Liquid Eyeshadow by Bo Babe Beauty, $30. That's a lot. That's a lot of money. And it's sealed. Let me unseal it. It's expensive. For a liquid, I mean, it's not like a whole palette. Let's see if I can get this open. Okay. Beautiful packaging now. Right here. Beautiful. I'm not going to, well, I can open it. I'm not going to use this because I probably won't keep it. So it just opens from the top. And right there, it's like it's almost like instead of brown, it almost looks like gold or bronze. But still very pretty. Would make for a nice, you know, shadow. So that, like, once again, nice. I'm enjoying that, but I probably will share that one product. And then here we have from Lovebird, a tinted lip balm. $10. And is there oh, the shade is Smooch. Let's see, is this sealed? Looks like there's a seal on it. It's so hard to see where the, if there is a seal, how to open it. Let's see if I can just, it looks like there's a seal around the whole. I can't even see where you would undo it. Usually they give you like those little marks where you can just, oh, I see, kind of see them. Yeah, let me see if I can open this. I don't care if I ruin my nails today. They're going to get redone. I've been, you know, when you clean and do stuff, and I'm not easy on my hands. So this is the shade. That's interesting. I do like that. Let's give this a try. Is it going to be real? Oh, that's a pretty pink right there. Beautiful shade. Not bad. Just want to get all that excess off the tube. Happy with that. That's a pretty shade. And last but not least, we have a palette, which we always get a palette. And I do believe we had a choice in the palette. I honestly don't remember. I think we did. We had to just, and when you have a choice for a product with Eyescream Beauty itself, you just, when you get your email, you go, you know, you click all the, click here, and things like that. You have to physically add your choice to your cart and actually check out. They don't charge you anything, but that's their way of keeping track of everything. So don't be alarmed if you see that. So I have the Classic Autumn. You could have gotten Jingle Bell Ruby, and there was a choice, and this is DD Signatures, $35. I've never heard of this brand at all. Let's see what she looks like. I think I chose more than neutral tones. I like the greens. So here's the palette. The other one was brighter, I do believe. So that's nice. Let me see. I might keep this one because I love green. They feel okay. So that's pigmented. That's pretty pigmented. Let's see how they go on. Goes on nice. Ooh. A little bit of fallout, so you can see them too right there. Oh, they're pretty. Let me see this gold. It's called Pumpkin, so it's right here. I want to see what that looks like on my skin. I mean, the green was a little patchy, but you can see right here I did the pumpkin. They're actually very pretty. Ooh, they would be pretty together. So I'm happy with that palette. I'm glad I chose that one. Sometimes when there's two palettes and it's a choice, and either one's not going to work for me, I'll just pick one, and then I'll put it in a giveaway. Like, I'm still going to get a palette. I could not pick one at all and let them pick. But I figured, let me pick this one, and some of the, maybe I could do a shimmer. What shimmer would I even think about using? With that, maybe I would do, and this is the shimmer right here. Let me just put this way. Oh, that is pretty. That's like a duo. Is it a duochrome? I don't know. Or is it just like a coppery? Yeah, I would say it's just a copper. But that's, so you can see the 4 tones right there, and they're on. Beautiful. Wow, that's a pigmented palette. Like, I'm still able to put the copper on, and you know, you could go, obviously go lighter. I went heavy with that, but just to get it all off my fingers. I mean, I'm still, the green, I'm still putting green on. Will this go even? Yeah, I mean, I'm still getting plenty of payout. I mean, on my fingers and on my hand, as you can see. Nice palette. I'm happy with that. I never heard of DD Signature. Have you? But so far, it looks good pigment wise. No complaints, but I do like the green, so I will definitely keep that. I'm going to try the mascara in just a few minutes because I didn't put mascara on. I'll share this. That's probably about the only thing I'll share because I won't use it. But let me know your thoughts on Eyescream Beauty box. I think a very good box, once again. Rarely disappointed. I mean, I did cancel the Eyescream Beauty bag just because, you know, I don't need to be getting both. And usually I prefer one or the other, so I figured I'll just stick with the Ice Cream Beauty box. I've been getting the box forever. And the bag I'll add every once in a while, bring it in for, 3 months, 6 months, and then I'll cancel it and bring it back and things like that. But it's more so that you can see what the bag offers because it is more affordable. This is $25, which I don't think is unaffordable, considering what you get. You always get an eyeshadow palette. You can't say that about some other boxes. So I hope you all have a wonderful day. Like I said, please send your prayers my way. I would greatly appreciate them. Just in general, one for my dog Patches, and then for me, I have some things on the horizon that I would like to see work out. So, you never know. One day at a time, that's all, right? 1 minute at a time sometimes. So enjoy your day, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye for now.